Ako dahil si Pang Brian Katikan, nagpuyo ko sa San Diego Sur, Danang City. Karoon kayo nag-prepare ko sa akong mission. Mission is para matabangan ng mga tao na ma-receive na lang sa gospel ng Jesus Christ. Ihapon, para makabalo sila sa mga mensahe kahapon.
So, kanta yung pinakatawag yun? So, yung pinakatawag yung pinakatawag.
Pero hindi mo rin kumalo kumanta, pero try.
Ladies and gentlemen, Bong Brian Badakan from Danao City.
Used to say that I get right, never really in between, waiting for the love of my life to come to my dreams. Everything shades of gray, never really lose of green. Needed someone else to turn to, someone who could help and learn to see all the beauty that was waiting for me. You put the blue back in the sky, you put the rainbow in my eyes. I saw the lining in my prayers, and now there's color everywhere. You put the red back in the rose, and just when I needed it the most, you came along to show you care, and now there's color everywhere, everywhere.